Okay, welcome people. I'm Scott with Xingyisheng company. So right over here, we're in the factory where you can see our beautiful raw materials right here, the particle boards. So if we can take a look, our forklifts and our forklifts are over here, going to be transporting them to the what? To the next processing, the next processing place, the next processing level, the next processing stage. So after that, we lift them up, take them to the printing stage where they are going to be printing paper and stylish paper. Those what you see when I'm introducing to you on our live sessions. That's the next stage. So yep, let me take you to the another next stage after the printing part. We come over here for the cutting of making into different sizes and drilling the most possible holes for screwing and assembly purposes. So that is recently for now, and that's where we go. We go on to the what? The next stage. That's it for this episode. See you next episode.